Carlos Paul Pedracio.
Carlos, ask ko lang, bakit nandito ka sa pickleball event? Nandito sa Women's Pickleball dito sa Baguio.
Yes, I am supporting my friends here in Baguio. I'm also a pickleball player.
Oh!
Tomorrow we have a tournament din dito naman. For men naman. Today is for women.
So, pickleball player ka rin?
Yes.
Why pickleball?
Why pickleball? Kasi it's a combination of different paddle racket sports, which I also play din. So this is, since combination siya, it is all in one. Malalaro mo lahat ng mga favorite sports mo dito sa pickleball. Saka good ano siya for community. You'll gain more friends.
Wow! So far, ano yung mga naging benefits sa'yo ng pickleball sa personal life mo?
Yes, syempre aside sa sa physical. So siya dina-develop niya yung skills mo and also yung health din. It gives good health since parang din siya practice. Practice din and also exercise.
Yes.
Exercise and also you get to mingle, socialize with other players din. Lalo dito sa Baguio City.
Oh, nice. And so far, marami ka naging friends for sure dito. Kasi kanina parang, ano yung bumabati sa'yo dito kanina pa eh.
I also one of the coaches dito sa Baguio City.
Wow, that's
Yes.
good. And ask ko lang swerte ka daw sa raffle.
Yeah.
Pakilang raffle mo na to?
Second.
Wow! Nice! And ano yung advice mo daw sa mga nanonood na they want to start their pickleball journey and they want to have a healthier lifestyle? What's your advice sa kanila?
So for those na gustong gawing gustong gawing hobby, or if you want to join yung mga tournaments, is first try nyo muna drills. Yan, so try na mag-top kayo sa mga coaches para at least maturuan namin kayo ng mga basic drills. Yan, especially for those who are beginners. Kanya para maturuan namin kayo ng mga paano ba yung tamang pagtira sa shots and pas makapag-enjoy kayo during open.
And last question, kasi inisip na iba parang iba, of course, hindi sila makapag-pickleball because of the paddle, medyo costly yung pag sa start ng sports. Ano yung advice mo sa kanila?
Yeah, actually there are a lot of options na ngayon. Meron naman ng mga low-key din na paddles that you can start with if you're beginners. Then if you wanna go na medyo advanced, you can buy syempre mga higher-end paddles. Pero ngayon marami ng options actually. Sa mga sports houses, they have na yung mga lower na price na paddles.
Okay.
So, siguro for the meantime, they can buy mga second-hand or they can rent a paddle. Yeah.
Oh, for a start, diba?
For starters.
Last question pala, you said the word community. Bakit ang pickleball, they have a stronger community?
Siguro since I play other sports din, sa pickleball kasi there's a lot of time for you to communicate with your partner. So in between points and then after every game, you can communicate with your partner. So I think, saka yung bola kasi it's not so fast, it's not so slow. So tamang lang. Ako kasi I get to talk a lot sa sa partner ko. So kaya community-wise, very siya. Highly sociable na na sport.
Wow. Thank you so much, Carlos. Thank you.
Very much.
And winner pala siya ngayon ng amazing Choco Barley. So siya yung finale winner. So siya yung nakakuha ng product talaga. So congrats, Carlos.